Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video, which is a 3 looks 1 palette using the Glamlite Miracle palette that I received in December's Tribe Beauty box. This is a cruelty-free and vegan palette made in to help raise funds for breast cancer support, which is absolutely amazing. I love that, and I do believe it's something like 10% of the palette cost does go to those charities. Of course, I will link the Glamlite website down below for you. Let's jump in straight into look number 1. I will be back at the end of the video to give you an overall review of the palette and my thoughts and feelings and how I found using it. So here we go, look number 1, enjoy. Here we go, look number 1 all completed. I shall lean in and let you have a closer look at the eyes like normal. As you can see, I haven't put a liner on my top lids today. I wasn't sure the look needed it, so I've not done one. Mascara as normal. Top lashes are NYX on the Rise, bottom lashes are the Ico London. In my waterline, I have used Punch by Colourpop, a lovely canary yellow. And on my lips, I have my Love Morphe lip crayon in the shade Thanks. I think this is a nice, quite summery look. Very easy to do. Literally took me, took me about 20 minutes to do this look. Let me know what you think. And let's move on to look number 2. Okay, here we go. Look number 2, all done. Quite a funky night out, glitzy glam type of look for you today. And I shall lean in and give you a closer look at the eyes, as always. So for my top liner today, I've actually used 2. I've used Piggy Bank by Colourpop, a nice bright pinky purple, and I've done that from the outer corner to about 2/3 of the way over, and then on the inner corner wrapping round in the tear duct and slightly onto the lower lash line, I've got Unst, which is a really fab orangey colour from Colourpop. So those 2 are on my upper lash line, as my eyeliner today. And then in my waterline, I've used Crybaby, which is the lovely lavender lilac colour from Colourpop as well. Mascaras today, NYX on the eyes on the top lashes, Ico London Black Magic on the lower lashes. And lips today, I've used the Lip Jewel in Sheer Bravery that I received in my Look Fantastic box in January, but all I've used is I've used the stain side, and I've popped 1 layer on, I've let it dry, and this is 3 layers of coverage all in all, which actually I think is quite nice. Feels really nice, it's not too drying, a little bit drying because it is a lip stain, but other than that, there we go. So yeah, look number 2 all done. Let's get in to look number 3. look number 3, all complete. I shall lean in and give you a view of the eyes like normal. From the front, from the side, and this side. On my upper lids today, I have used my Star stamp liner from the Body Shop. One end has the Star stamper on it, there we go, and the other side is just your normal felt tip liner. I've been really enjoying using this actually because it's a very nice fine liner and you can get it right on the edge of your lashes. As you can see, I have tried doing a star on the corner here. I did one and then I kind of smudged it a bit, so I tried to turn it around and make it look like a little flower. Not really worked out, but never mind, it doesn't matter. It's only a bit of fun, isn't it? For mascara today, I've just used my NYX on the Rise on the uppers and the lowers. In my waterline, I have used Colourpop in the shade Punch. Nice light yellowy orange that I thought would just add some brightness and still tie in with the general look. And then lips today, I've used one of the new Jeffree Star metallic liquid lipsticks from the Bloodlust collection, and this is in the shade I'm Vulgar. Beautiful, beautiful pink, purpley, sparkly metallic. This has got 2 coats on, which is something I do find with his metallic lipsticks, is that you need to pop 1 coat on, let that dry, which it dries down in seconds, and then just put another coat on so it is opaque, because the metallic ones in particular can be a little sheer in places, but it's not a problem, is it? So what do we think to this look, ladies and gentlemen? Let me know in the comments down below. Final thoughts on the Glamlite Miracle palette. Okay, the mattes are really nice and pigmented. They build nicely. Blending, if your eyeshadow base is a little bit too tacky, they can stick and stick fast, and then they become quite difficult to blend out. But just take your time, just have a little bit of patience. The colour story I think is lovely. It is really, really nice. These two shades here, the formula of these, I'm not sure if you can see how much it looks like I've dug into this shade. It's got quite a dent in it. Now, they seem to be more of topper shades rather than actual sort of foil metallic-y shimmers. I find the best way to apply them is definitely over a glitter glow, definitely. Spraying them, going in dry, you'll end up with loads of fallout. But the formula of these is really bizarre. They're almost like a cream, but they're not, they're a powder. You have to dig quite hard into them to get them to pick up on the brush. And then, like I say, they're quite bitty and fallouty. So they are a little difficult to work with. These two here though, these two shimmers, these work absolutely great, whether you put those on dry, sprayed or with a glitter glue. They are more true shimmers. They're not as foiled and in your face, particularly dry or just sprayed, but you know, they are a great formula. For me, honestly, the only 2 difficult ones are these 2 here. This one here I think is an absolutely fantastic inner corner highlight. And I would say overall that is my only thing with this palette. I mean, the colour scheme's not overly me. I was very surprised with this shade though. This comes out a beautiful corally shade, this Butterfly. But yeah, for me personally, I think this Heavenly up here, it looks quite pale on camera, but in real life it's not. It's quite a beigey. I think I'd have preferred that to have been a little bit lighter, or even like a very, very pale creamy shimmer. It's not, it's a matte. So inner corner highlights, you're a little bit limited. And I think overall, you know, there's not going to be 1,000 looks that you can do with this. It is nice to work with, it is fairly easy to work with. Like I said, probably recommend going in and setting your eyeshadow base. And again, a lighter colour matte in the palette would have helped with that. But I have enjoyed using it. I've enjoyed creating these looks for you. I hope you have too. Thank you for watching as always. Please let me know your thoughts and feelings in the comments down below. Any suggestions for any other 3 looks 1 palette videos? Always welcome. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.